That picks that up more than you could see with your naked eyes.
See that? The heat is that fast.
I can see the gas dripping already. May not have enough air in it to expand.
It's almost completely full of gas.
I can smell it now.
Or water and gas. We'll get all that gas out and then solder that hole up and it'll be okay. At least as far as the float goes. Yeah, the way that feels, I think it's completely full. I've seen them before with holes in them like this because they sit there on the bottom of the tank and rub. They just sit there and rub and it rubs a hole in it. So I've seen it like this before. I think now we got some air in there because it's pushing a lot more out.
Scored to quite a ways now.
Wouldn't surprise me if there's a big old long crack or line worn through it when we get it all empty.
I hope you don't get an ignition point there because you got a lot of gasoline.
Anything's possible, but I never have doing it this way. That's why we do it outside and we don't use fire. We're getting down to the last little bit, it looks like. All right, I think I can hear the solder in there rattling around, so I think it's pretty well empty now. Now let's see if we can get that soldered back up. The hard part about soldering something like this is you're heating the air up as you're heating the solder up. And so it's hard to seal up the hole because it's trying to push air out. That's probably what that was. That hole was probably an air bubble. All right, I think we'll call that good and try it. Hopefully that was all that was wrong with it.